All right, good morning. Gonna go out here and check out the flashing lights that we installed yesterday. So can't really do it during the day, but we can do it at night. Well, we could do it during the day, but I want to kind of see what they look like at nighttime. Let me turn off. Okay. Yeah, that one over there, I got to switch the pattern on it. It looks like a blinker. But that definitely, if we're broke down on the side of the road, you definitely see that. Okay, the way you change the pattern is by touching that yellow wire to the ground for a second, and so what I've done is I've set it okay, much better. Let me get back a little bit. So if you're coming down the highway, if you don't notice that, then there's something wrong with you. Now I have two more of them that I'm thinking about putting up higher, so that went pretty good. So, well, there you have it. All right.